हेलो फ्रेंड्स। तो आज की इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे कि जब पाकिस्तान मीडिया से पूछा गया सवाल कि पाकिस्तान के प्रधानमंत्री इमरान खान ने पीएम हाउस को रेंट पर देने की बात कही और उस पर पाकिस्तान मीडिया का क्या रिएक्शन है। तो चलिए दोस्तों वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं और देखते हैं।
ये जो गाड़ियां हैं इंशाल्लाह इनकी हम अब ऑक्शन करेंगे। मैं बड़े बड़े बिजनेसमैन को दावत दूंगा कि वो आएं और ये जो हमारी बुलेट प्रूफ गाड़ियां हैं जो बाहर से मंगवाई हुई हैं महंगी महंगी, इन सब की हम ऑक्शन करवाएंगे।
Gaurav, we should not take this. It's a serious issue, and I think Nupur, it is only fair that we first express our complete empathy, sympathy, with these Pakistanis, because at the end of the day, Abhijit, this is you feel bad. We've always known Pakistan is broke, right, Gaurav? But I never knew they were so broke. Abhijit, I never knew. And I can't believe it. They're doing marriage parties in the Prime Minister's house. Marriage parties, Apparently the going price is 5 to 6 lakh rupees for a 12-hour booking. Pakistani rupees, that also. 5 lakh Pakistani rupees, you can go and saunter around. Mona, Omar, I'm telling you, अब क्या पूछे इनको?
ये पूछे
No, Zulkarnain Shah is the senior leader of the Pakistan.
And Modi is hiding somewhere. 4 million Indians
I'm
have died
asking
of
you about-
COVID. Why don't you spend time?
I'll let Nupur respond to you. I'll let Nupur
Modi, let
respond to you.
Indian
Nupur
dies.
respond. But tell me one thing.
So many Indians have died.
Tell me one thing. We're doing fine.
Your
We're
government
doing
is
fine.
busy hiding the
We're a $5 trillion economy. We're doing absolutely fine. We're on our way there. My question to Mona is,
don't have
Mona,
enough healthcare facilities.
I just want to know
so many of
seriously.
the people have died.
Can you tell us?
Modi
Can you
is
tell us?
oblivious to the plight of Indians.
Yeah, can you tell us?
Why is your Prime Minister oblivious
Yeah, and
to
we
the
gave you
plight of
all the vaccines that you ever got
innocent, poor
were from us. Were from us. We gave it to you for free. But my question is, Mona, and Mona is debating right now with Nupur. Mona, can you tell us that why was the Prime Minister's house put up for rent? Why is the reason that it has been put up for fashion shows and dance parties and things like that? What happened?
Well, Arnav, you did send us the vaccines under the COVAX facility. That's no big deal. I mean, it wasn't your formula in the first place, AstraZeneca. But nonetheless, you've also sent us the
Why is the Prime Minister's house being put on rent? My question was, Mona. Mona, my question was, why is the Prime Minister's house put on rent? थोड़ा समझा दीजिए, explain to us.
Very good. मैं आपके लिए बहुत अच्छा proposal लाई हूँ. I have a brilliant proposal that I'd like to present to you. Look, I think it's not just for marriage ceremonies and fashion shows or other kind of display programs that the PM house has been put on rent. I think the Indian government can also, ask us for a few days to rent the Prime Minister's house. So
No, we are not giving you any money for that. She's asking for money. She's asking for money for the live TV program, that also on India's leading program. She's asking Nupur, she's saying that we should rent out the Prime Minister's house. कोई इज्जत ही बाकी नहीं है.
I am asking.
कोई इज्जत ही बाकी नहीं है कि हमारे प्रधानमंत्री के घर को आप अभी.
I'm not.
I can't believe it.
I'm not doing you a favor.
Mona, I can't believe what are you doing?
Why
are you doing
don't
this?
Believe me. I mean, I'm not.
You are asking us to rent your Prime Minister's house. कुछ कोई self-respect?
No, because your Prime Minister is funded by Tatas and Birlas and all those wealthy. I mean, those people. You can do it easily. So I think it's a good deal, and we can host the millions.
No, we are not giving you any money.
Who are sleeping on footpaths?
No, we are not giving you.
Who are sleeping on footpaths? You are not giving.
No,
me
we are
any
not
money.
giving you the
You're doing
money.
this for the millions.
We are not going to help you.
Who are sleeping on footpaths.
No, we are not going to rent the Prime Minister's house.
You are indirectly.
No, you can't do this on my program. You can't come on my program and say, give us money, rent my Prime Minister's house. I can't believe it. Gaurav, what's going on?
I don't.
Gaurav is laughing. No, but this is shocking.
I don't want to.
Gaurav, tell her to stop.
I don't want to.
She's asking us to rent their Prime Minister's house on my program.
Of course, I will pay for that because that will make me
Please rent Imran Khan's house. Itna, how is it possible?
क्या आफत है
Mona,
वहाँ पे?
क्या है?
आफत वाला situation.
नहीं, Mona, you're asking Arnab to take the Prime Minister's house on rent. Yeah. What is this? This is preposterous. I mean, listen, Mona, on a very serious note. You know, सुनिए Mona, हमारा छोड़ दीजिए ना. हमारा छोड़ दीजिए. Mona, you know, there were times in India when India did not have enough, and we have faced times. But at that time, even in those times when India suffered from famine, from disease, nobody put the Prime Minister's house on rent. I mean, this is preposterous, Mona. I've never heard, even in a basket case, third world country in the corner of the third world somewhere, nobody does it. And here you are, a nuclear weapon state.
No,
a nuclear weapon state.
I also want to tell you that, you know,
It's never too late to learn. You should learn. It's never too late. Your Prime Minister Modi.
I don't know how they're defending this.
I don't know how they're defending. Nopur wants to say something to you. Nopur Sharma is the national spokesperson of the BJP and an advocate in the Supreme Court, and she's going to debate with Zulkarnain Shah, senior leader of the PTI. Nopur, see, it's a worrying situation. Maybe you want to take it forward because a proposal is being made by a Pakistani panelist that we in India should rent their Prime Minister's house. It has actually been made. Nopur.
Well, possibly, Arnab, good evening to you all and to your viewers, but possibly what can be Ms. Alam's criticism of, India as a gesture of goodwill helping them out with vaccines? Certainly, इनकी औकात तो है नहीं कुछ भी खरीदने की, यहाँ पे भी तो पैसे कमाने आते हैं आपके चैनल के ऊपर. So they should be thankful, ideally. And secondly, when, there is an open offer to you and all of us to, take on rent the Prime Minister's residence, which is going to be put up on rent for fashion shows, no less. I mean, maybe, it's a closed offer wherein Pakistan also decided to auction or rather sell off donkeys to make their money. Nobody can forget the headlines where in 2019, Pakistan was making money by selling donkeys. Only last year, now it's very interesting, only last year, there was a group of people found gambling in Pakistan and the cops booked a donkey which was parked nearby as well. So it's a donkey country belonging to donkey citizens. And interestingly, in 2000, Alami, in 2001
before he became the PM, he was a tea seller, so he can serve tea on those events.
Sir, allow me to complete. You can speak during your chance. Please allow me to complete. It is very interesting, Arnab, and I'm going to put my earphones in the front. It is very interesting, Arnab, that, in Indonesia, their High Commissioner in 2001-2 actually sold off the embassy premises at throwaway prices. This is a matter which was heard in the courts of law in Pakistan. इतना गरीब देश है कि इनके अपने देश का, which is actually under the jurisdiction of the Pakistani government. Even their High Commissioner is a cheat who sold off their embassy premises in Jakarta. ये तो इनकी औकात है. And here they are, issuing sermons and giving us lectures about how to manage. अरे टमाटर नहीं भेजे थे आपको, तो तौबा आप रोना शुरू हो गए. ये आप गधे बेच के अपने पैसे कमाते हो, आपकी चप्पल चोरी वाली औकात है. When are you going to actually wake up? And let's not forget, you said Prime Minister is giving a selfie.
You are talking about Pakistan. That's terrible.
Your Mr. Imran Khan
discussing your people.
Received for due protocol. Your Mr. Imran Khan was not even received for due protocol in the US. अरे यार कटोरा लेके ट्रेन में बैठ के गए थे. मैं सालम झूठ बोल रही हूँ. मैं ट्रेन में गए थे इमरान खान अमेरिका में. पैसे दे दो, चंदा दे दो, पैसे दे दो. आप भी देखो मेरे को now prove me wrong. Miss Alam, you're sitting here to make some money. आपको पता है आपके जूते लगेंगे. आप जूते खाने आती हो क्योंकि आपको पैसे मिलते हैं इंडियन चैनल पे बैठ के गाली खाने के. आप सच बताओ, ये तो आपकी रोजी रोटी है. आप में कोई सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट नहीं है. आपको आपको खरीद तो लिया, लेकिन फिर भी इंडियन चैनल आपका कीमती वक्त तो खरीद लिया इंडियन चैनल ने. क्या बात कर रही हो आप? मैं तो कभी पाकिस्तानी चैनल पे ना बैठूं आपकी मखलौली सुनने के लिए. I'm sorry, you come here to get humiliated. Miss Alam, do you not have any self-respect? You come on an Indian channel, lose your self-respect to make दो वक्त की रोटी. I'm sure it will last you a lifetime, but still आपको शर्म नहीं आती है. रोज आ जाते हो रिपब्लिक पे. अर्नब की और मेरी और आवाज अकेली नहीं आई. आपके साथ कार्टून.
No. One second. See, Nopur, they're in a bad situation. My question to Zulkarnain Shah of the PTI is this. Mr. Shah, first of all, my question to you is on the issue of self-respect. So, Mr. Shah, you've done the following. You have put the Prime Minister's official residence on rent. Then you have also set up a committee to decide. In 2018, you set up a committee to decide on the market price of 8 buffaloes, जिनको हम हिंदी में भैंस कहते हैं. There was a committee set up by your government. It's true, Gaurav. You can check it. I'm not making it up, viewers. There were 108 cars and 8 buffaloes, Abhijit. 8 buffaloes. 8 भैंस बेचने के लिए आपने कमिटी बनाई थी. Right? So Mr. Shah, how bad is the situation? And also we were told that 4 surplus helicopters which are lying are also being sold. Right? And
Mr. Arnab,
you had to return a Pakistan International Airlines plane because you could not pay the lease for the plane.
So Arnab, see, there is.
Am I right?
Remember, these guys.
No. Let Mr. Abhijit, let Mr. Zulkarnain Shah explain his situation first, and then we'll come to you. Yes, sir.
Mr. Arnab,
Tell
I'm
me.
watching your program a lot of time, and
Yes.
I think you're the shining anchor of the India and you're the voice of the India. But I don't think it is a so serious issue which you are wasting your time and your channel time and your Janta time. I think rather than me, your Janta knows better about the Imran Khan. And you can ask, not to me, ask to the Senil Gavaskar, ask to Kapil Dev, and ask to your Rediwala, your Rakshawala, and everybody from the India. He will tell you about the Imran Khan, his character, his integrity, his decision, and his sincerity. We are suffering the decision
Imran Khan's character,
in the Pakistan.
integrity.
Yeah.
I think
Ask your
Janta.
Please move your camera on your street and ask any common Indian about the Imran Khan and the Modi, and he will tell you what the difference between the Modi and the Imran Khan.
I'll ask you a question, Mr. Shah. Mr. Shah, a serious question. Thank you for your compliments. A serious question is that, you see, you have a debt, Abhijit will tell you, you have a debt of 45.470 trillion. ये आपके प्रधानमंत्री के घर को गिरवी रख के या उस पे शादियां करवा के इतने पैसे नहीं आने वाले आपके. Abhijit, why don't you tell him that? I mean, you have to be out of your mind. You are broke. You are broke, sir. Broke को क्या कहते हैं हिंदी में? You know, आप.
Sir, will you tell your audience that how much India has a debt? You are under
last month or the month.
Yeah, Nopur is saying something. Nopur, आप बोलिए.
Just a month.
Yeah, Abhijit is saying something. You want me? Abhijit and Mitra before that.
Just a month before, they admitted that they had to borrow money in order to pay off their, forget their debts. They have to pay off the interest on the debts alone. They're in a position now that they have to borrow money. Nobody is lending them any money. Okay, if you go check out how the elite live, including Mr. Imran Khan and his bungalow in Banigala, it is all made up of plundering the Pakistani people. Essentially, if you read their own author, Aisha Siddiqa's book, you realize there's about 200,000 people in Pakistan that control everything and essentially live like parasites of everybody else in that country. They are so bad. Can you imagine, Arnab, for a minute, India begging some other country to come build infrastructure out here or connect the country up? Here, they are so dependent on China that they're actually giving off concessions the same way the East India Company was given concessions by the Mughals to build essentially sovereign zones of China within Pakistan. They then want the whole of Pakistan to be linked up by Chinese infrastructure, and they're getting further into a debt trap. You go talk to them in track twos, they say, see, you can't gauge it by the formal economy, the informal economy chalta rahega, all of that nonsense. The problem is it never works. they have formal debts to repay. No amount of informal chota mota dukandar is going to be able to pay off your formal debts.
That's what you are in a debt trap. That's the point. Omar is saying, Omar.
And they are getting even
Omar
more
and
into a
Gaurav.
debt trap.
No, Omar, you see, Omar, if you can make a serious point also occasionally. A serious question to you is, and you debate it seriously with Nupur. You see, Omar, I'll tell you something. And I'm telling you as your well-wisher. You are in a terrible debt trap. You have borrowed $14.2 billion, right? As foreign loans during the fiscal year 2021 with a 34% increase from the previous year.
And you are worried about Pakistan.
I tell you, even an unemployed man in India, can take your Prime Minister's house on rent. My question is, you are in a debt trap. You have borrowed $1.5 billion. You have borrowed. He is not capable of a serious debate. Nupur, let me try Mona. I'm saying, Mona, you have borrowed $1.5 billion to repay Saudi Arabia's $2 billion debt.
नहीं अपनी बीवियां संभाल ले पहले इमरान खान कंगलों की जात I'm sorry.
All right, we are going to debate with Mona now. Come on now, Mona.
You are not going to decide. You are not.
My question to Mona, and come back to the subject now, Mona. Mona and Nupur, my question is.
One second, Anna.
My question is. My question is.
One second. A Pakistani who is nothing but a representative of a country of suicide bombers and terrorists cannot sit on an Indian television channel and name call our Prime Minister. I mean, कंगलों की जात है यहाँ. अपनी बीवियां संभाल ले इमरान खान बहुत होगा. घर तो संभला नहीं, उस पे नाच गाना करवाएंगे आप फैशन शो करके. Your debt, and I'm going to read out your report of the financial advisor to Mr. Imran Khan, Pakistan PM's advisor on finance, Dr. Abdul Hafiz Sheikh's report dated June 2020. सुन लो अब. Your debt will rise to 88% of the GDP. Whatever it is, पिछले साल की report है, झूठ तो बोल रही होगी. Secondly, 88% of your GDP is your debt. आगे सुन लो, नहीं क्या? हाँ, तो give me the correct facts and figures. You spend 18.5% on defense expenditure. एक जंग जीत नहीं पाए, कुछ नहीं जीत सकते आप. उसके आगे 13% is your inflation rate, and you're talking economy. यार, come on, मिसालम. 30%. गधे बेचने की औकात है. आपने कहा 13 inflation rate. It's the report. I'm reading it. And perhaps you may want to correct me with the correct figures, but this is your advisor. Achha. Not the Indian government. No, perhaps you need to throw some light as to why your economy is shrinking by almost 1%. No, what do you know? What do you know?
I know these
Okay, then tell me. What is the correct figure? By heart.
आप बोलो ना.
What is your GDP?
You finish.
What is your
GDP? And then I'll come in.
What is your per capita GDP? Please tell me. What is your per capita GDP according to this report? Please tell me. You know it by heart. Please tell me. I think we happen to know more about your economy. What is your per capita GDP? Please tell me.
You look like.
No, you tell me. You know it by heart.
Look like that.
You know it by heart.
School
no, what? No, what? No, what?
I will not.
No, what? You know it by heart. Then you defend with facts, right? You can't sit on an Indian television channel. I'm not going to allow you to abuse my Prime Minister. No, Bikhariyo ki jaat hai aapki. I'm sorry to say. I'm not going to allow it. Tit for tat. You go with a katora asking for beef.
Just a minute.
No, I'm sorry.
No, Mona, I'll tell you one more thing. Mona, Nupur is completely correct. And Mona, listen. Mona, Nupur a minute. Nupur 1 minute. Nupur 1 minute. Nupur. No, the sad. Okay, Nupur and Mona. Mona and Nupur. I want to make an intervention, and this is a serious intervention. You see, we both became independent, India and Pakistan, in August 1947. Okay? Now the situation is, and you will not like me to tell you this, but you lost your independence in 2021 completely. And I'll tell you, Mona, when you lost your independence.
Why?
Do you know today that entire 1 minute, listen to me. The British gave you 300 million pounds as aid to help you because you became bankrupt. Your people, your rulers,
Why would they help
They
us?
pocketed the money internally. No, let me complete, Mona. I'll tell you the truth. I'll tell you the truth. This is something that everybody in India also knows. You pocketed the money. The money went into complete corruption of your top political and army brass. And the British Parliament, Nupur, told the Pakistan government that we are launching an investigation on the Pakistani government.
The dreams you saw last
1 minute. The Pakistani government is under official investigation by the British Parliament for embezzlement of 300 million pounds.
Have you?
You are no longer an independent country. No independent country in the world allows that. No independent country in the world can allow that. You have allowed it. You have allowed it.
I mean,
you have allowed the British Parliament to investigate your government. You are not an independent country anymore. Mona, I am telling you the facts. And now Tariq Fateh is on the debate.
You have no knowledge. You have no knowledge of the people of the common
you don't know your per capita GDP.
Mona, you don't have the knowledge.
She doesn't know her own country's per capita GDP. What knowledge will she have? I can bet she didn't even know how many wives Imran Khan has. She doesn't know that they sell donkeys to survive. She perhaps only knows she's here to make money off you. I'm sorry, madam. I'm sorry. What is your per capita GDP? Please tell me.
No, I'm also sorry.
If we have nahi kya? It's a simple question. Trivia for you. You mean what? You mean me what? Just tell me what is your per capita GDP. I'm sorry. Since we don't know anything about Pakistan, educate us. Educate us.
You are like a broken.
Educate us, madam. It's a simple question. No, you are hyperventilating. I have a simple question. Pakistan की per capita GDP क्या है? देखो इनको पता ही नहीं है. अर्नब अपने देश के बारे में नहीं पता. मेरी हिम्मत है. मैडम आपकी हिम्मत है तो बता दो. Per capita GDP क्या है पाकिस्तान की? मैडम, per capita GDP of Pakistan. Madam, you are hyperventilating. You don't have the knowledge.
I am asking you.
Per capita GDP of Pakistan.
No, it's serious. I think.
You are a coward person.
You don't have the guts to let us
Okay,
know
Tariq
what is
Fateh
your
is also
per
on.
capita GDP.
She doesn't know the per capita GDP of Pakistan because it is.
Of course she doesn't. Of course she doesn't.
She doesn't know and it is not worth mentioning.
That is none of your business. That is none of your business.
That's none of my business.
It is our business.
Come on, madam.
It is our business.
Let's remember that.
It is our business.
I want Tariq Fateh to come in. Tariq Fateh, how are you? How are you, Tariq Fateh? How are you? It's been a long time, Tariq. Tariq, it's been a long time. How are you doing, my friend? I'm okay. Okay, thank you, Tariq. We're all okay, but we're really concerned about the Pakistanis tonight. And Zulkarnain Shah is with us on the program. He's the senior leader of the Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf. And we are all very worried today because we got this breaking news that Pakistan has put the house of the Prime Minister on rent. And they have said that they are forming committees on how it will be let out at 5 lakh rupees every day, every 12 hours for fashion shows and dance events. And then the Pakistanis, they samajh nahi rahe that we are speaking for them out of concern.
Not just concern, sir. ये बीमारी अगर वहां होगी तो फैलेगी ना. ये बेचारे, that's the only concern. The Prime Minister came to power dancing on top of truck trailers and being known as Taliban Khan. He has better things to mind. Instead of the economy of Pakistan, he's running a war in Afghanistan. With all these Taliban being injured are being treated in Quetta. ऐसे तो नहीं नाम मिल गया ना Taliban Khan. You have to work very hard for it. And in between, you are marrying multiple wives. वो ठीक है. अब वो एक जिन वाली है, वो पीछे से पर्दे के बताती है क्या करना है. This is a country which is a comedy in errors, a comedy of errors. Where do you find a prime minister going to meet somebody else in his night suit? Shalwar kameez chappal pehen ke chale jate kahin pe bhi. It's a catastrophe. Nobody knows anything. They are killing their own Pashtuns. They are bombarding and massacring the Baloch.
And he has
I've never in my life seen a procession. I have a procession.
He is a misogynist.
I know I'm a bigot. Thank you.
For women.
I am okay being a bigot. If my bigotry is against people like you,
as well.
Hey, bhai,
and you don't have respect for women.
Hey, you are an Arab.
You are shameless to the
if you want to be an Arab, speak in Arabic. भाई कुछ और जाके करो अपने अब्बू और मामू को. Why do I have to? You are a
comes later. Behave like a human.
Bhai, you are a dustbin.
Have some decency.
A dustbin.
Some decency.
I'm talking about a dustbin.
And you are garbage.
Bhai, I'm talking about a dustbin.
Absolute garbage.
You know what it is? Kachre ka dibba.
You are
Kachre ka dibba.
Absolute
a country where rape is committed, where women are killed.
Absolute filth on your show. This guy.
Yeah, चार बीवियां तो नहीं है
मेरी. No, but you know, Omar. Omar, you know but Tariq, you know, they are trying to move away from the subject. The subject is very serious, and I think we need to retain the seriousness of the situation. Omar, thank you for the comic relief. My question is, my question is that I'm looking. You are so broke. Your prime minister was forced to take a metro to reach the ambassador's residence in the United States. You couldn't have a car.
What's the problem with that? There's no harm in it. There's absolutely no harm in it.
His public with Tatas and Ambanis like Mr. Modi. He's not a corrupt like Mr. Modi. Who's getting into
Adani.
You know, Arnab, Nupur Sharma mentioned that the ambassador sold the, you know, in Indonesia, the ambassador sold the building. They had a CEO.
Yeah.
That CEO, Arnab, that CEO, Pakistan International Airlines CEO, he stole an aircraft. The CEO of Pakistan International Airlines sold an aircraft. It was worth 23 or 25 crores. He took it to Germany where he sold it for 32 lakhs to a museum, Arnab.
Yeah.
This is the scam that is going on every day.
It's about the embarrassment of it.
इन्होंने पूरी बिल्डिंग चोरी कर ली, जहाज चोरी कर ली अपने खुद के. मतलब this is constant, Arnab. This is constant. Nupur Sharma mentioned the building. I'm telling you about a plane. Mona, please tell us if this story is true or not. Mona ji, please tell us if this story is true or not. Did your PIA CEO not steal a plane?
He never stole a plane.
She has admitted it.
मैं वही तो कह रहा हूँ. ऐसे कैसे चोर हैं जो जहाज चोरी कर लेते हैं?
There would have been a NAB case on him. There would have been a NAB case on him. NAB is very active in our country, unlike yours. There is no check on corruption in your country.
Tariq Fateh is on. Okay, close it.
Plundering the state.
How can you sell an embassy building, ma'am? How can you sell an embassy building?
They'll sell the country if you have the right price. They sold Pakistan to China for a pittance. They sold Balochistan to China.
Jealous.
ये बेशरम लोग हैं. Oh, jealous?
Why are you? I'm talking.
आपने बलोचिस्तान लूटा.
I'm respectfully talking to you.
Oh no, you're not. You are incapable of respect. नहीं, बात सुनने की पहले बताइए जो रेप किया आपने बांग्लादेश में.
अगर आप जो ये पीछे किताबें पढ़ी है ना, ये पढ़ लेते तो आप इतने क्लूलेस ना होते. You are a clueless person, sir.
भाई आपके यहाँ, let me tell you something. Your country, if a book sells for 500 copies, it's a bestseller. Which is the last book you read? Nobody reads in that country. Your entire investment is gone into your second and third wives.
Showing off before your people, you're sitting in front of a library doesn't
showing
off the reader of the century. Come on. This is all a hoax.
What is it? This is my office.
But you can't fool people like me because
you come with a begging bowl.
Your India.
No, point is, kuch, you see, how will you? No, you tell them today. I mean, point is, Nupur is back on the debate. Nupur, Mona, you're not taking it seriously, and I'm telling you the situation is going to go very bad because you're going around with a begging bowl across the whole world.
I'm not going around.
You're going with a begging bowl everywhere.
Arnab, allow me, please. Arnab,
you're going around with a begging bowl everywhere.
Arnab, madam here, who I would call Alice lost in Wonderland. No. Actually, she's a babe in the woods. You know, madam here said, I'm a coward. Well, madam, I'll tell you what isn't a coward. My Indian army, which whips your army repeatedly each time. Now, I'll tell you something. The Dawn reported earlier this year that Pakistan lost 4 spots
madam, I don't think,
in the corruption perception index. अरे अपने बारे में, अपने देश के बारे में तो पता होना चाहिए यार. आप यहाँ आती हो, अपना बेवकूफ बनवाती हो. Arnab, don't pay her. Don't pay her the full fee for doing this. अच्छी तरीके से पढ़ के आए तो इनको आप दिया करो. No, whatever money you get to do this drama, this acting, I'm sorry, whatever money you get to come here and अपनी बेइज्जती कराने के लिए, अर्नब आज इनका भाड़ा काट देना प्लीज। आई एम नॉट किडिंग यू। मैं डॉन की न्यूज़पेपर रिपोर्ट पढ़ के बता रही हूँ आपकी करप्शन परसेप्शन इंडाइसेस में पाकिस्तान fell down by 4 spots in January 2021. What are you? I can go on. At least tell me what your GDP is यार। अच्छा चलो छोड़ो per capita GDP। मैडम आप मुझे एक इंडेक्स बता दीजिए। What are you saying? What are you saying? चलो मैंने मान लिया I am a coward. But then what is the Pakistani army then? Please tell me what is the Pakistani army? Certainly a coward in front of the Indian army.
Okay, I have a different question. I have a different question. I want to put it differently. I want to Nupur. I want to put it differently. Nupur, 1 minute. My last question, my last intervention tonight. Gaurav, I have a different question. आप जरा इनको पूछ लीजिए। जैसे we ask, आपने इनसे पैसा लिया, उनसे पैसा लिया, you took money from US, you took money from China, you took money from UK has launched an investigation into how you took their money back, you took money from United Arab Emirates, you took money from Malaysia, you've taken money from Indonesia, you've taken money, now only they have to go to some sub-Saharan African countries to take money from. My question today is very differently. इनको पूछिए who they have not taken money from. You ask this Omar Altaf today, who he has not taken money from.
Arnab, in plain and simple words,
सबसे पैसा लिया।
Arnab, ऐसा कोई सगा नहीं जिसको इन्होंने ठगा नहीं।
That's a good one.
ऐसा कोई सगा नहीं जिसको ठगा नहीं। ये सब जानते हैं, इनको ट्रांसलेशन की जरूरत नहीं है। ये कानपुर
Zulkarnain Shah of the PTI wants to respond to you. 1 second. हाँ बोलिए।
अरे what about छोड़ो यार, you are not Zulkarnain Shah. Get Zulkarnain Shah on the screen. Zulkarnain Shah साहब आप पूछिए क्या पूछ रहे हैं मुझसे?
Gaurav Arya, we took the money from China, we took the money from United States, we took the money from all over the world. But my simple question, Gaurav Arya,
what Arnab wants to know is who did you not take the money from?
Yeah.
No.
You even requested the poor Palestinians for ambulances. आपने सर किससे पैसा नहीं लिया ये बताइए?
My simple question to you जनता कि क्या हिंदुस्तानी रियासत ने आज तक सिर्फ टॉयलेट का मसला हल कर लिया या नहीं कर लिया 50 करोड़ लोगों का?
अरे सर टॉयलेट का मसला हमारा 14 अगस्त 1947 के बाद खड़ा हुआ था। उसके पहले अच्छे खासे टॉयलेट थे हमारे वेस्ट साइड में। उसके बाद प्रॉब्लम।
माय क्वेश्चन इज आप मुझे बताइए ना नहीं
टॉयलेट की बात
नहीं इनको पूछना पड़ेगा। शाह जी, मिस्टर शाह you tell me one thing Mr. Shah, you tell Nupur today you have gone with a begging bowl everywhere. Tell me one country who you have not taken money from. मुझे मत बताए, तारिक फतेह को बताइए। Who do you not owe money to? किस आपको उधार सबको है, किससे नहीं लिया आपने, आप बताइए।
Actual problem is not a debt trap, is a trap of the China and Pakistan.
आपके ब्यूरोक्रेट्स ने कुवैती डिप्लोमेट की जेब काट ली थी सर। अगर मैं झूठ बोल रहा हूं तो बोलिए।
तारिक फतेह सबसे पैसे लिए, he has admitted it.
So
he admitted it.
Mr. Gaurav Arya, you know how much Amit Shah get a money from the Rafale deal? According to the CBI report.
अरे क्या बोलते हैं भाई?
अच्छा
मुझे
सर एक बात बता दीजिए, आप कौन सा ऐसा मुल्क है जिससे कम से कम 2 बार पैसे मिले ये बताइए।
Last word to Tariq.
What a question.
All right, thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen.